Hi, third graders. Mr. Askelson here. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Directions from the matrix say, write a multiplication sentence for each and solve. So you see three statements there, 6 groups of 3, 4 groups of 6, 8 groups of 4. How about if I add the multiplication sentence of 5 times 3? What does 5 times 3 really mean? Does it mean 5 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 5? If we say 5 times 3, the actual meaning of the words is 5 groups of 3, not 3 groups of 5, even though the answer or the product in a multiplication equation would be the same either way, and that's from the commutative property. So either way you say it, you're going to get the same answer, but if you look at it strictly 6 groups of 3, 4 groups of 6, 8 groups of 4, or in my case, 5 times 3, here it is down below, 5 groups of 3. So my multiplication sentence would be 5 times 3, and that equals something. So how would I solve that equation? Well, one way is I could use an array. I have 5 rows of 3, and I can count those up, and I can see then that my equation 5 times 3 equals 15. So I always like to think of the word of as my multiplication symbol. So 6 times 3, and so on. So substitute the word of with the multiplication symbol. Then use some of your strategies from multiplication to help you solve them. You could use an array or equal groups, repeated addition, or a number line. Now down below you've got a couple story problems. Use the multiplication strategies to complete numbers 4 and 5. Number 4 says, a roller coaster has 7 cars. Each car holds 4 people. How many people can ride the roller coaster? So think of your numbers, underline your question, look for an important math word, and then use your strategies over here to help you solve that. Number 5 says, Timmy has a 30-inch piece of wood. He divides the wood into 5 equal pieces. How many inches long is each piece? Another strategy that is kind of helpful in deciding what it is you're going to do to solve an equation is go back to that math mountain like you used in first and second grade. The math mountain we use in third and fourth grade, though, has division on the sides and multiplication on the bottom. So when you look at number 5, do you have the 3 parts of a math mountain? Do you have the factors, 2 factors on the bottom, or do you have a total and one of the factors? And that will help you determine, are you going to multiply to solve this equation, or are you going to divide? If you've got the total and you're looking for a factor, divide. If you've got both factors, multiply. So hope those little tips help. Substitute of with the multiplication symbol, use your multiplication strategies, maybe throw in a math mountain if that helps you to understand what you're going to do to solve the equations. Also use your cube strategies. Hope all that helps. Have a great day, third graders.